With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, have a look at the question. Question is, what will be the content of DNA in a somatic cells at G2 if its meiotic products have 20 picogram of DNA? Options given are 40 picogram, 20 picogram, 80 picogram, 160 picogram. So in the question they have given us meiotic product to have 20 picogram of DNA. So if you'll see a meiotic product, it could be anything, any gamete formation, anything which is formed by a meiosis. Meiotic product of organism, it contains, first of all, if it's a meiotic product, definitely it would be the haploid one because it is formed by meiosis. So it is having the 20 gram or 20 picogram of DNA. Now, if it's a meiotic product, definitely it is formed from a somatic cell. It is formed by a somatic cells of an organism, and that somatic cell will be the diploid. That's why by meiosis it is formed as a haploid. So it is understood that it will be the diploid. So that will having the diploid content, that is the 40 picogram. So this is the first instant observations. Second is, in the question they have asked, what will be the content of DNA in somatic cell at G2? If we'll see the cell cycle, now we have to, this is a somatic cell. If we'll see the G2 phase, here we can say that the in a cell cycle, if we'll draw the different phases, can so this is the here, this is M phase, G1 phase, S phase, and G2 phase. Now, if we'll see the M phase, that is the mitotic or meiosis phase. Here, G1 phase. In G1 phase, here we can say in G1 phase, somatic cell, they are having the diploid content. That is having the diploid content. Then S phase, DNA replication occur, DNA duplication occur. It at the end of this S phase, it become the 4N at the end. And when it entered into the G2 phase, it is having the 4N 4N content of the DNA, because otherwise it was a diploid, and after S phase or synthetic phase DNA replication occur. At the end of this S phase, it will be the 4N which will enter into the G2 phase. So if we'll see in the question they have asked about the, we have to find out at the G2 phase. At G2 phase it is the 4N. If 2N we are given is the 40 picogram, 2N is a 40 picogram, 4N will be definitely would be, it is a multiply by 2, so we can say that it will be the 80 picogram. That will correspond to the G2 phase. That will correspond to the G2 phase, because in only in the G2 phase it is the tetraploid content of the DNA, and after that it will enter into the cell division, where the half of the DNA will be nucleus and chromosomes will be divided into the two daughter nuclei. Cell division occur, but at this stage is thus only in the cell cycle it is having the tetraploid content, or at the end of S phase also, not at the in the starting. So this is the 40 picogram. If we'll see, oh sorry, 80 picogram. If we'll see the option is 40 wrong, 20 wrong, 80 correct, 180, 160 wrong. So option C is the correct for the given statement. Hope you get it. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.